How to add people on Snapchat web. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application on your desktop. So as you can see, I have installed a Snapchat on my desktop and it will actually look like this. Now, here you will see all your chats, all your conversations that you had with a person, and then you can even write a message to a specific person here directly. And you can actually have an access on these, your theme, your turn off your sound effects, your notifications, your help center, you report a problem, so on and so forth, and you can actually log out there. Now, one thing that you will notice here is you cannot find an add friend option on your desktop. So the only way to be able to add friend the only way to be able to add friend someone on Snapchat is you add friend them to your phone or via mobile. So what you're gonna do is, don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how. So here on our mobile, so here let's go here to our Snapchat application. Now it will look like this. So to be able to add someone is on the upper right, you will see this plus icon here that has friend, and you can now add friend people. You can even invite your friends. You can search them up if you have their usernames, and you can have a quick add here and even to your contacts. And basically that is it. As you can see here, all your contacts that's already in your contact phone book rather. And then you can just tap on add here, add, and basically that is it. And that is how and after adding them, it will then reflect here to our desktop. And basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.